Mark, thanks very much for your invitation to the Mazacam stand at EMO 2017. But tell us a little bit more about Pheonix CNC.
Pheonix CNC, we've been going about 6 years. We mainly support Mazac users. We do training on controllers right back from T+ right through to the new smooth controls. About 2 years ago, we took on a product called Mazacam. Mazacam again supports Mazac users, both small subcontract users right through to bigger companies. We predominantly are a CAD/CAM supplier. Where we differ from everybody else, rather than outputting in ISO, we output in Mazatrol. So we keep the integrity of your Mazac control, we keep the flexibility of your Mazac control, and it's easier for people to use. So a lot less training for people. They don't have to learn other languages. As well as CAD/CAM, we can write programs where we write a Mazac program. We import all the information from the CAD directly into a Mazatrol program, so there's a lot less training that people need. They don't have to learn another software or another CAD package, so you can get up and running within 1 or 2 days. Very simple, a lot of time saving for the customers, potentially a lot of money saving as well.
Could I ask a question?
Yeah.
So really your company is about supporting Mazac users in the UK, whether they're OEMs or manufacturers, but
yeah.
How does Mazacam benefit UK users of Mazac?
Like I said, they're using the control. They don't have to learn anything. They're using a skill they've already got as far as programming the Mazac. We save them time. They don't have to program on the machine. They can sit quite happily and program in their office. We cover all machines as well. We cover right back from T+ and M+, right through to the new smooth controls. And we also convert across controls. So we can take an old controller, a T+, M+ controller, and we can convert that directly to a new smooth control. So an existing user that may have 1,000, 2,000 programs, they buy new technology, they buy a new control, they can just copy straight away to the new smooth control. They don't have to rewrite it. The same goes for Integrex type users that may have a fusion control, want to copy those across to a new matrix control. We can copy across from an older fusion type control right through to the new smooth control, so they don't have to reprogram it, save themselves a lot of time reprogramming. They don't have to prove it out to quite the extent. It's already a pre-proven program, so a lot of time saved setting up.
So really Pheonix is a great support for any Mazac user, and obviously there's a lot of growth in the UK that you could talk to. So your message very much here is that, come and talk to you guys if you've got a Mazac machine.
That's right. We also support users. We do training, so if people have lost operators, they want operators retraining, we'll go in on site, and we're very much bespoke to what they want. We don't have a set course that we do. We talk to the customer, say, look, what are your needs? And we base our training on what they need, whether it's somebody just being refreshed, or whether it's somebody forgotten it, or they've lost somebody, or they've moved jobs. And, we just help them how they want it, and it goes along at their speed. So,
well, good luck in the UK, Mark. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you.